morning, my people. My name is Nicholas, and this is Eating the African Way. Today we are going to look at one of the most favorite street foods in Uganda, a Rolex. What is a Rolex? To other countries, a Rolex is a watch. But in Africa, most especially in Uganda, a Rolex is a meal, and to others, it's a snack. So, let us find out how a Rolex is prepared. Keep watching. You don't need a lot of items to make a chapati the African way. Today all we need is wheat flour, warm or cold water, salt, onions and oil. This is one of the local Rolex stopover where we are going to prepare our Rolex from. After mixing everything and rolling the chapati, we start preparing to fry. Unlike the normal way of frying one chapati at a time, here in Africa, it is possible to fry more than 5 chapatis at a go as a way of saving time. All you need is a flat frying pan and a charcoal stove. After frying your chapati, then you start preparing the Rolex. The ingredients we need to make a Rolex are tomatoes, onions, carrots, green peppers, cabbage, avocado and eggs. This is Dennis. He's one of the experts on the street for making a Rolex. What happens after preparing the ingredients?
After slicing very well my ingredients, I pour them very well in our eggs.
After slicing your ingredients, you mix them with eggs and then you fry them. After, you put the eggs on top of the fried chapati, and if you want you can add some sliced tomatoes and sliced avocado. Then you roll it into a Rolex. Finally, our Rolex is ready, and it took us about 4 minutes to prepare it. So, the question is, do you wear a Rolex or you eat a Rolex? Me, I eat a Rolex. It was such an experience on the street, learning how the Ugandan Rolex is made. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something out of this episode. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Nicholas, and this is Eating the African Way.